Hi folks, it's time for science, and this is our last screencast for the entire year. So I'm going to talk about what are we doing in this last week in this one screencast. We only have one screencast this week because we have a pretty light week. We're going to make things sweet, simple, and to the point for this last week of classes here. So first things first, on Monday or Tuesday, you're going to be watching a video, and after watching that video, I will just have you leave a comment about one of the three prompts. You can either talk about what's something you liked, what is something you learned from the video, and what is something you still wonder. You only have to choose one of the three. You can, of course, comment on more if you like, but it is not required. In addition, you'll have an attendance quiz, and that's your last one for this semester and this year. For Wednesday and Thursday, the reason why I'm not having you do an attendance quiz is because I'm going to get a chance to check in with you during a survey, and we'll take a look at that in just a second, and then hopefully I will get to see your bright shining face during our class time and have you get on the Google Meet link, and we'll get a chance to say our goodbyes to everyone in class and end the year out in a good, positive way. So let's take a look at Schoology and take a look at these things. I'm in the week of May 18th. Obviously, when you go into the homepage, you do have to scroll all the way to the bottom. And things are pretty light, not too much. Like I said, attendance question, make sure to get that done by the end of the day on the 18th or 19th, whenever you have class. The video, you're just going to click here, click on the video, and right here is where you will post your response. Post, and then that is your completed assignment for today. Going back in, let's look at the survey and join our last class hangout. The survey is linked right here. It should lead you to a blank Google form. You will notice that there is no name or anything for personal identification. It is completely anonymous, and it should only take about 5 minutes. I do use this survey to help me understand how best to change classes in the future, so feel free to be honest in your responses. There are some strongly agree, disagree kind of things. Scroll past those, a couple of questions about workload, and then a couple of kind of free response. Make sure that you submit in there and you are done. Last thing, of course, is joining that last class hangout, and that's easy to find because that's posted in our announcements in Schoology. So if you're here on the page, just the landing page, or you can also click on updates over here, you will see this pinned announcement. And this is where I have the Google Meets posted, and this is going to be the link that you will follow to join our last class hangout on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on when you have class. So, again, click on this link, copy paste this. You can join by phone. However you join, I'd love to have you in our class so we get a chance to say our goodbyes and wish you all a happy summer. If you cannot make it, it is no worries. It is optional, but I just would love to see your faces one last time. Other than that, if you have concerns about grades or missing work, please reach out this week. The last day to really turn in missing work is supposed to be the 19th, so try to get any missing assignments you have in before then. And then as well, I will be available during this week during office hours, or other times that we might set up if you're unhappy about your grades, and we'll take our opportunities to discuss those and make sure everyone's happy. Besides that, folks, that's all I got for you. Thank you for a wonderful, amazing year. I'm going to miss all of you so dearly. I wish we could say goodbye in person, but we're going to do the best we can with what we got. For the last time, we'll see you next time, folks. Have a great week. Bye.